We are going to show you how to set up Spot to Spot. All you need to play is spots or markers, or alternatively, you can use tea towels or pillows for this activity at home. Lay out the course from the start spot to the finish spot. The object of the game is to complete a journey moving from one spot to another without falling off or touching the ground. Start with one extra spot than the number of people in the group. To make it more challenging, you can move from spot to spot in different ways. For example, skipping, hopping, or jumping. Or how many spots can you touch in 30 seconds? For more ideas, visit our Facebook, Twitter, or website.